Alright, fan collectors, here's a Regency MX fan in my garage. It's kind of like huger, you know. I don't know why, yeah. I just put a hunter blade on it since the blade is greasy. So, yeah. I thought I will show you a video of it with commentary. You know, here's the logo over here. That's a Regency logo. Alright, here's low. And I might spin it real quick. Here's low speed. Doesn't have a light kit. Yeah, you can attach a light kit on it, as you already know. Alright, medium speed now. Alright, it quite wobbles. Yeah, it quite does. Because, alright, here's high. Alright, this time I'm gonna hold it real quick. If it wobbles, I don't think it does. I'll hold it. Alright, I'll turn off. Alright. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.